Next, we shall look at how to attach the headrest part of the seat. Here are the parts that you will need for the headrest assembly. First, we need to slide the two safety handlebars through the two rods located at the back of the seat. Next, we need to pass the handlebar attachment of the seat belt through these handlebars, and while pressing on the red lock button, slide the two handlebars through each other till the lock button pops in place. Next, slide the headrest frame through the back of the headrest, just like that. Next, slide the headrest frame through the back of the seat. Just like that. Next, pass the two shoulder straps through the frame of the headrest. Next, we are going to look at how to attach the canopy. To attach the canopy, slide the two bars on the frame of the canopy through the two bars on the frame of the headrest and push it in. Then attach the canopy to the headrest frame using the two included screws. Tighten both the screws completely. Next, we are going to look at how to install the rear push bar. These are the two parts that you need for installing the rear push bar. Remove the plug on the push bar attachment at the back of the frame. Next, while pressing on the two buttons at the back of the tricycle frame, push the push bar attachment down. Do this until you hear a click sound. That means the push bar attachment has locked into place. Next, connect the push bar to the attachment frame and then press down on the metallic button as you push down on the push bar. Do this until you hear a click sound. That means that the push bar has locked into place. Your push bar is now attached to the frame. Move the red handle on the push bar attachment upward to lock it into place. Your push bar is now attached to your tricycle. Next, we shall see how to attach the steering control between the push bar and the handlebar.